So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here is the new update of GPT-4 and that have been released, and it's one of the breaking news into the technology. And so this is the Chat GPT-4, that is version 4. Previously it was 3 and 3.5, and this is very much powerful, where the AI model have trained around 1 lakh billion of, you can say, parameters it has. So this is the Chat GPT-4 release date. Microsoft have told that this video will be released in next week. So actually they have not told the particular date, but it have the ability to create the videos from the simple text prompts, and it is really very, it is going to be very amazing. And some of the features the CTO of, you can say, the Andres Brown, CTO of at the Microsoft Germany, have revealed that this will be recently getting published into the public as in the next week. So yeah, this was the update from Microsoft CTO. I would like to tell about the course that I have created. If you are not interested, you can just leave it out, but I would like to tell you about the course that is aiconvo.in, where I have created the course based on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different ways. So just come to this website, go through the overview, then go through the curriculum, and if you'll use the code ELON20, you will get rupees 400 off, and the final course price will be 1499. And yeah, this was the video based on the simple update of the release of the ChatGPT 4, and please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will meet you into the next video. Till then, bye.